Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you 3 prefab designs never before seen on the channel. The offsite construction industry has a lot of players right now, and many of them have very similar layouts, making their homes look pretty much the same. But not all of them. There are companies building homes that are unique, original, and that you most likely won't see anywhere else. Until someone copies their plans, of course. There's nothing wrong with the same old floor plans. Some of them work extremely well, but when someone figures out a new way to lay out 700 square feet, we need to take notice. The company I'm talking about is called Bonneville Homes, and even though they've been on the channel before, these homes have not, and they're too cool to overlook. What I'm going to do is show you 3 different homes, tell you what I like about each, and yes, we'll look at their pricing, so let's do it. In case you missed the first video, here's a quick recap. Bonneville Homes is a family-owned business that started in 1961 as a mobile home dealer before opening their own manufacturing facility in 1977 to improve the quality and speed at which homes were being built. Now they have 350 employees between 15 branches and 2 manufacturing facilities, and they build some very cool homes. The homes I'm about to show you range in size from 704 square feet up to 1,020 square feet and have features you don't see every day that just make sense and I think should be incorporated into more designs. The first home of the day is their 704 square foot Illuma 1.5. Like many of the Bonneville Homes exteriors, the first thing that comes to mind is the style. The combination of roofline and windows give these homes a look that I personally think set them apart from a lot of the other companies in the industry. The home has a front living room where you see all the windows and is listed as having 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, but I'm going to call this a 1.5 bedroom home. You might be asking yourself, wait, what's half a bedroom? And that's a good question because it's certainly not something you see every day. The half bedroom is a lofted space above the main bedroom closet that brings a bit of tiny home design into the modular home space. I really like this use of space, and it does have multiple different potential uses that simply wouldn't have been possible without this bonus space. Think about it. The slope of the roof line adds to the ceiling height on one side of the home, and if they didn't add this space, it would have just been an extremely tall closet, which is pretty much useless unless you're the big shamrock. So this really is the definition of a bonus area, and in a smaller footprint plan, a little bit of extra space is always a good thing. The rest of the home consists of the main bedroom, a bathroom laundry room combo that's also home to the hot water tank, and a kitchen open to the living space. By combining the laundry room with the bathroom, there's no space being eaten up by a full laundry room. I get that a full laundry room has big appeal in a house designed for a family, but in a 1 or 1.5 bedroom home like this, I think that space is far better used in the living space. Another area I see Bonneville Homes setting their look apart is their ceilings. In most of their show models, you're going to see some kind of wood accent on the ceiling to make these things pop as much inside as they do out. If you're looking for a smaller footprint home, I think the Illuma 1.5 is a head turner, but let's see what else they've got. Middle of the pack for homes I'm looking at today is a whopping 96 square feet bigger, called the Sheik Shack. The Sheik Shack is 800 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Again, another great exterior with a modern look that I think works so well on a single section home. This roof doesn't have the slope that we saw in the Illuma, and I personally like the exterior of this one even better. The combination of the siding, the roof extending over the deck, and the beams are where it's at. Inside, the floor plan is similar, but no slope means no bonus room. This layout goes living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom 2, and finally the main bedroom. Aside from the extra 96 square feet in the second bedroom, there are a couple things different about the Sheik Shack that I like better. The first thing is the covered side entrance with extra storage. Technically, this could be added to any plan, but the point is, it isn't. It's on this plan. Speaking of storage, another thing I would suggest people look for is a coat closet near the front door. This is something that isn't included in a lot of floor plans, and you may not notice its absence until you buy the home, move in, and go to hang up your jacket. Not good. My favorite part about this home is the kitchen living room area. 1, because it's pretty much all windows, letting in a ton of natural light, and 2, it has a very functional island. Check this thing out. It's open underneath, so you can put stools under one side and chairs under the other and get rid of the dining table altogether. It's a very cool functional design. If we look at the ceiling in the living room kitchen area, this is what I'm talking about. Another eye-catching accent that takes these homes to another level. These are the details that set Bonneville apart. Wait till you see the last home. The last home of the day with another standout feature is the micro nature. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that at first glance looks like it might be similar to the Sheik Shack. But no, this home is 220 square feet bigger and has something I've only seen in a handful of other designs. And that's a rooftop deck. I don't know why I like the idea of a rooftop deck so much, but I do. It just brings a whole new level of cool factor to the home. To facilitate access to the rooftop deck, another full section was put on this home, and that's where we see the jump in size from 800 to 1,020 square feet. The extra space is added to the living area, which I think makes the most logical sense because it's likely where you spend most of your time. Doing so makes more room for a formal dining area on top of the kitchen and living space by moving the living space into the additional section. It's not a secret that the traditional single-wide look isn't for everyone, and Bonneville are masters of taking floor plans that are similar to those of a traditional single-wide and building them in such a way that will quickly change any preconceived notions of what can be done in this industry. It's very impressive. Out of the 3 homes shown today, I'm torn between the Illuma 1.5 and the Micro Nature. I feel like just saying the biggest plan is my favorite is a cop-out, but what can I say? Rooftop deck, people. It's hard to argue with that, so I'm going with the Micro Nature. Maybe I'll change my mind, but I doubt it, after looking at the prices, so let's have a look. Bonneville Homes is located in Canada, so these prices are listed in Canadian dollars, but I will post the USD conversion that will be accurate at the time of posting this video. They don't give the exact price of each home, but instead give a price level range from 1 to 6, so we'll see which level these homes fall into and what price is attached to that level. Both the Illuma 1.5 and the Sheik Shack land in price level 1, which means they're somewhere between $150,000 and $275,000. The Micro Nature lands in price level 2, so it'll be somewhere between $225,000 and $350,000. The price can be affected by size, finishes, and location, and does not include foundation, land, or on-site work. It's a good place to start for someone who has no idea what these things cost. If you want a more precise estimate, the best way to do that is an in-person or virtual meeting with a rep from Bonneville. Bonneville Homes has a lot of unique designs, and on top of that, finish them in a way that make them stand out from a lot of the other homes on the market. They seem to fully understand what people are looking for and definitely know how to build a head-turning home. I'm very interested in what they're up to over at Bonneville, so I will be checking back periodically and posting any updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.